for you.
Are you suffering from hair breakage, hair loss, alopecia, hair fall, baldness? Do you want to grow at your edges? This video is for you. With just these powerful ingredients, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make hair growth spray and an oil that will go with it, that will grow your hair faster, that will make it softer, thicker and fuller in no time, guys. In no time, with consistent use, you will be able to see result, guys. So welcome back again to my channel, my lovely people. You are welcome. If this is your first time just coming across this channel, welcome to the family. Just go ahead to click on that red subscribe button, because in here we'll talk about hair growth tips. We talk about everything natural hair, how to take care of your natural hair, how to grow your natural hair, whether relaxed or you are natural, guys. How to use 100% natural ingredients to grow your hair that will not leave any side effects, that will not give you problem tomorrow, like supernatural ingredients to grow your hair, things that you can find around you. So subscribe, and to all my sweet returning family, thank you so much. I really appreciate for you coming back. So guys, let's dive right into the video. So for this ingredient, we are going to be needing 2 tablespoons of cloves. Cloves help to boost the tissue under your scalp and provide abundant, long-lasting moisture for your hair. Clove has antimicrobial, antifungal, minerals, anti-inflammatory properties, and a whole lot. So we are going to be putting the clove into a pot, adding a little water depending on the amount, and then let it infuse. Put it on top of your stove, your gas, whatever you use in cooking. Put it in a very low heat, let it infuse for some minutes. After the water has started changing, then off it and strain it and put it in your favorite bottle, application bottle like this. This is mine, and this is what I will be using to spray on my hair. It is very, very simple to make, and yeah, this water is an amazing water because the antimicrobial and antioxidant activity of this spice is higher than many vegetables and fruit. So clove benefit for hair is amazing, guys. You need to try this. So all right, family, for the second recipe, we are going to be making use of our clove as well to make an hair growth oil that will go with the spray. Apart from it going with the spray, you can just use the oil without not using the spray with it. It is absolutely amazing, guys. So we are going to be using 1 tablespoon of clove powder. You can use clove powder, okay? I was not just having the time to blend my clove, and again, it has some powder in it as well. So I'm going to be adding peppermint. I choose to add peppermint to this clove. It is optional, guys, but peppermint is actually amazing, okay? Peppermint also help if you are experiencing hair loss, okay, because this peppermint contains menthol and also a vasodilator. Okay, I'm going to be leaving it on the screen because the vasodilator improves blood flow. Hair loss occur due to starved blood flow to hair follicles. So if you want to increase your circulation, then this vasodilator like peppermint could potentially improve hair growth and prevent hair loss. This oil will be great for a massage, to give your hair a massage. When you massage your hair, then you are also improving blood flow to your scalp. Okay, guys, peppermint can be a safe home remedy for improving hair growth. So mix your peppermint and clove together and then add it into your clean jar, bottle jar. You can use any jar of your choice, and then add in your oil. You can use coconut oil, olive oil, depending on your hair type, okay? Just put in the oil that is good for your hair type. So you can use castor oil as well. So right now I'm going to be using grapeseed oil. If your hair loves grapeseed oil, you can use grapeseed oil. So my oil actually contains vitamin E. I found this oil in my shop while shopping for some ingredients, and then I decided to pick it up because this oil contains 5 extra ingredients in it. It contains rice oil, it contains maize oil, so I just decided to pick that up. So you can use any oil like I said earlier, and then fill it up. We are going to be doing the double boiling method. You can decide to do the cold press method by just covering it, leaving it for 2 weeks or a week and let it infuse like that. But if you don't have the time, just do a double boiling method, which is also great. Go ahead to put a pot of water on your stove and then put this jar on top of the water. Let it slowly infuse. Make sure to load the gas, and after infusing for about 10 to or 5 minutes, depending on the amount of the heat that is going into the water. So when you see that it's starting to boil, just remove it, or low heat, just remove it or off it. Okay, so and then make sure to stir it often and also cover it so that the essential benefit will not evaporate, or so that water will not enter inside. So this is it. It is very simple. After allowing it to infuse and cool it down, go ahead to strain it into any application of your choice, guys. This is very simple to make, and when you use this oil to massage your scalp and also use it at night as well, spray it with the treatment spray, you're going to see results. Your hair is going to flourish, guys.
To get your love, I gave you all I got, but it's not enough for you. Sure, you find me catapult of love. That's why I can't get enough of you. But to be that, nothing I can't do for my baby, my baby. Anytime when you need me, come through for my shawty water. But to be that, nothing I can't do for my baby, my shawty oreke, my baby. Baby, show you there for me. Oh, no, 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 as I there for you. Oh, yeah, yeah. Baby, show you there for me. There for you, yeah, yeah. Just one taste and I'm wanting more. What do you give me is not enough. No, no, no. You know, say me, I know I'm falling in love, shawty. What do you give me is not enough. No. Oh my baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous.